Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to get up and record a vlog. Yeah, we're gonna go run to the store, get some stuff for my mom, and Chopper, which is her husband. Get some food for them to cook barbecue. So I haven't vlogged in a minute, so yeah, I know I look busted and disgusted, but let's turn it around. So let's go. Let's get up. Let's go to the store, guys. Yeah, my room dirty, but mind your business. I'm not sure how to look over here. Maybe I'll look right here. I don't know. Hopefully the angles are good. But all right, guys, we are in the car now. We're gonna head to the store and go get the stuff for this barbecue, and then we're gonna head to my mama's house and we're just gonna chill out while they cook. Cause I'm not doing nothing. It's the weekend. I don't do nothing on the weekend. Understand? So we're gonna head to I don't know if this angle's better either. We're gonna head to what's it called? Dollar General or Family Dollar. You know, they got the little small grill or whatever with the coals, and then I gotta get some pans and aluminum foil, you know, all that stuff. And then we're gonna go to probably Walmart. Yeah, we gotta go to Walmart because they got the ribs and stuff. Or probably we have a Mexican food mart that we go to get our meats, which is Fiesta, so I may have to stop by there. So let's go, y'all, because I'm hungry. See y'all at the store. All right, guys, I forgot to record when I got to the store, but we made it to Dollar General, and I'm trying to find a little small grill and then the charcoals that you don't have to use a lighter for. Yeah, this is not my forte, so let me try to concentrate, and I'll get back to y'all when I probably make it to Walmart. Okay, peace. All right, you guys, we made it to Walmart. Let's go shopping. Woo-hoo!
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Hey. Stop. That ain't nothing to play with or on.
I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wet a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, gun a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit.
Alright guys, so we finished at the store. We're like 4 or 5 minutes away from my mom's house. And yeah, they finna cook and I'm finna just chill. Cause I told y'all before, I don't do nothing on the weekends and I'm in that. But in the time being, I just wanted to check in with you guys. Like I said, I haven't vlogged in so long. So I feel like, I think it's been a couple of weeks, maybe a month or so. But I've just been so busy. Like, life is just lifing, you understand? I mean, good, bad, just lifing, you understand? So, just been busy. Y'all know I started doing lashes, so I've just been pouring into that a lot here lately. I still have my medical assistant job, so I do that Monday through Friday, full time, and then on the weekends, I try to get some rest, but that's not likely because I be trying to, you know, do lashes on the weekends. And I want to say, just update you guys, I have about 3 clients that comes to me regularly. I've done maybe 3 or 4, maybe 5 full sets on models, and then 2 or 3 of those models turned into clients, so they came back and got their feels. And so I was so proud of that. But yeah, so now we're just, you know, slowly waiting for that to do what it do. You know, and what's crazy was I thought it was going to be easy just to learn a new skill and just start doing it. But as far as like the beauty industry, you have to build clientele, and building clientele is tough and it's hard because you have to get people to trust you in order for them to book with you and trust you. Like, for one, the eyes is just a very sensitive and important part, you know, just that's scary. Okay, you just don't want any and everybody doing your lashes because that's just scary. I still have yet to even get lash extensions because of that reason. Like, I just nah. And then me tapping into it being like the lash tech, now, like, you know, my standards are even higher. So I'm like, I'm not gonna just go to know any and everybody for them to fuck up my lashes. You know what I'm saying? So nah, one day I'll get there, but I feel like I need to be the client so I can understand both sides. But yeah, I thought it was gonna be easy just to hit the ground running, but nah, baby, that's not the case. It's so much to learn and so much to learn daily. Every single day something is changing, something is being new, something is being added. It's just, yeah. So I'm getting the hang of that, and yeah, that's pretty much the life update going on there. I did receive from one of my subscribers, they wanted me to do like an updated how is it being living in Dallas or Texas period, because of my video of when I moved here 3 or 4 years ago with just like $800 in my pocket. So I think I'm gonna do an updated video for that next. If you haven't seen that video, I'll definitely put them in the cards up top so you guys can go see that video. But yeah, that is pretty much it on the life update. Still single, still not looking. I'm definitely on a journey to, you know, being by myself, focusing on, you know, elevating in life, spiritually, financially, all of that good stuff. So, girl, what is you doing going 3 miles per hour in front of me? Does she not know I used to be in Fast and Furious? She can't know, bro. Like, I was out there racing with Paul Walker. Like, she need to get out of my way. I'm literally going to... Okay, first of all, you need to mind your business.
You were talking to me though.
No, you need to mind your business. Anyways, but yeah, let me see. Is this okay?
She drives like it, but she ain't in the movie.
But anyway, for she get to telling my business. But yeah, not doing anything, you guys. Just focusing on business. Entering a new stage. I'm gonna be 29 this year.
What?
Okay, first of all, this girl really gonna piss me off today. But anyway, y'all, that's the update. I made it to my mom's house in her apartment complex. It just takes forever to get to her. Please just come on. Anyway, so yeah,
The truck.
I made it to my mom's house. Been to get everything set up with her, so they could be cooking and stuff, and then I'll show y'all the progress on the food, my plate, and all that good jazz. Okay, peace. Say hey to my people. Hey, peoples. Deuces. So yeah, y'all, she got everything covered up in here. And then Chopper,
Macaroni and baked beans. Chopper got all
that's macaroni and baked beans. And then Chopper got the meat and stuff outside. Let's go see what he got going on, y'all.
Yeah, because he got all the good stuff out there.
Let's see what Chopper got going on. Chopper say hey to the vlog. Hello. Let's see what he got going on, y'all. We got some ribs in aluminum foil. Then we got some chicken down there. Yeah. You feel me? So, yeah. That's it, you guys. Waiting on the food. And, yeah, I'm just ready to eat. So, I told y'all I was going to give y'all an update. Now, next time I see y'all, it's going to be when my plate fixed. You feel me? Ooh. Who turned the TV?
She watches some Minions. No, ma'am. I'm watching
Oh, because I was editing my video.
Uncensored.
But yeah, I'll see y'all when the food is done.
Yeah, she.
Where Amy at, girl? You talking to Amy?
Noise.
Pull my hair. See what's going
I really want to braid your hair.
No, you can't. Because it's too thick. Remember? You said you don't want it because you was too thick.
Oh, okay.
right, you guys, that concludes my day. I finally made it home. I am about to do laundry. Well, I'm gonna take a shower first, and do laundry, and then eat some ice cream and brownies and go to bed because it's a work day tomorrow. So yes, thank you guys for coming along with me on my day. I'm a little tired, not too much. I got a lot of rest yesterday, so I'm good. So I'm about to get in the shower for my water get cold, and then I'm about to, like I said, do the laundry. And I'm gonna try to vlog more because it was kind of fun vlogging, but I kind of suck at it. So the more I do it, I think the more natural I'll be at it. Also, let me know what you guys want to see next, okay? That's it. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.